Where are you going, boo-boo? Okay, it's kind of the first nice day of the year, and I thought just to hang around outside today with Agent 900 that we should fire up his Oldsmobile, because I don't think he's heard it run, and it's pretty awesome. As we got this from Dan last year, absolutely gorgeous car, 303 Rocket V8, Hydromatic, power windows, just an absolutely amazing car, and it sounds super cool, so let's fire it up. There we go. Big old Carter WCFB. Looks like we got a fuel pump there. I do not know. What's this? Is it in park? Yes. What is that? Is that to the coil? Is that going to the fuel pump?
Fuel pump.
Is it filling up? It is too. Are we leaking? No.
Don't see any.
Let's see. There we go. Okay, and there was another wire here to make it go vroom, I thought. Or maybe we do that from inside. Does it actually start on the key? I can't even remember.
That would be great.
Oh dear.
First turn.
Okay, see you next week.
That's awesome.
Yeah, it starts like new. I'm going to hook up the fuel pump and we'll let it run for a minute. I believe it's got coolant and everything in it. There's not really anything that's going to go terribly wrong here. Yeah. This thing's amazing. The water pump, it doesn't even leak. Like, how is this car still running? Like, this car has been shut off probably since before I was born, and that's how well it goes. up, eh? Watch this thing. Isn't that cool? Why? It's electric, the pointer. What's that?
Can you make this go up and down?
Let's try it. I think the key has to be on, I'm not sure. Oops. What just happened?
It came down a bit, about an inch.
What was that?
I don't know.
Okay. That's down.
That's the easy one.
Okay.
Sweet. And that's all.
Yeah. Yeah, it's cool, eh? Yeah, it is cool. That's pump. I think we gotta realign it. Got a bit of a zappy there. So, still some work to do there, but yeah, you can control all the windows from here.
Is that light saying that your brake is on?
Yeah.
Cool.
Hood, air vent, heater fan, headlights, automatic dimmer,
Oh, wicked.
and glove box is there. Oh, that will kill the battery. The glove box light works, eh? Let's see. Of all the things.
What is that? Is that just a filler spot over there?
What?
That.
This?
No. Just where the gauge would be, I guess it was on the other side.
Oh, it's the clock / radio speaker.
Okay.
Radio. Super deluxe radio. I think might be a signal seeking radio. I can't say for sure. So unfortunately we can't go for a drive. I thought we might, but we do have to exercise it.
Well, you can in part 2.
Yeah. Join us next time when we'll try and take it for a drive. Yeah, I love this car.
Oh yeah.
It's cool. But look at it, it's poo-poo.
Needs a couple of drywall screws.
Yeah. Needs a couple of everything.
That's gotta go.
Yeah, those are silly. I should put the Continental kit on the Fraser. And that stupid thing.
And that.
Yeah, it's just such a big job. It needs 1,000 hours of welding and shit. Yeah, for sitting all winter, fired right up. You know,
people aren't gonna believe you.
Yeah, people are gonna think that we rigged that. But it is a warm day today.
And it was owned by Dan.
And I drove it to where it is.
Yeah.
It's not like we pushed it there. But what a gorgeous car. What? Come on. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Glad you could stop in. We'll see everybody on Saturday for lots more of that. This is a regular contributor.
Same old shit.